Before production begins, every ingredient is carefully inspected. Laboratory technicians test the ingredients for quality, freshness, moisture, and food safety. This ensures they meet the factory's high standards. Using specialized equipment, technicians analyze moisture and pH levels. The measured ingredients for the wafer sheets are mixed in large industrial mixers. The batter is blended until it becomes smooth and uniform. Simultaneously, chocolate ingredients are processed in separate mixing systems. The chocolate mixture is carefully prepared to achieve a smooth texture. This is needed for coating the wafer bars later in the production line. Automated dosing systems accurately measure the required amount of each ingredient. Precise measurements help maintain consistent taste, texture, and product quality in every batch. With all ingredients properly prepared and measured, the wafer batter moves to the baking section. Here, it will be baked into thin, crispy wafer sheets for the next stage of production. The prepared wafer batter is pumped into an automatic wafer baking machine. The machine spreads a thin, even layer of batter onto heated baking plates. The baking plates close and cook the batter under carefully controlled heat. Within a short time, the batter transforms into thin, light, and crispy wafer sheets. After cooling, automated cutting machines trim the edges of each wafer sheet. This creates uniform sizes and removes any uneven or excess material. Here, vision systems and factory operators inspect the wafer sheets. Scans for cracks, uneven baking, or discoloration. Any defects are immediately flagged and removed from the line. Only squares. Continue. Approved. The approved wafer sheets are automatically stacked in the correct order. These stacks are carefully aligned to prepare them for the cream filling process. The chocolate-based filling is mixed in large industrial tanks until it reaches a smooth, creamy consistency. The temperature is carefully controlled to ensure it spreads evenly between the wafer layers. Automatic spreading machines apply a thin, even layer of chocolate filling onto each wafer sheet. The coating is distributed uniformly to ensure every bite has a consistent flavor. This precision ensures quality and consistency in every product. Another wafer sheet is placed on top of the filling, and the process is repeated several times. This creates a large, multi-layer wafer block with alternating layers of crispy wafers and chocolate filling. The pressed wafer block enters the cooling tunnel. Here, the filling firms up and the layers become stable. Cooling makes the block easier to cut without damaging its shape. High-precision cutting machines slice the large wafer block into long, uniform, finger-shaped bars. The cuts are made with great accuracy to ensure consistent size and appearance. The freshly cut wafer fingers travel along the conveyor to the chocolate enrobing section. They are now ready to receive their smooth outer chocolate coating. The chocolate is carefully tempered in temperature-controlled machines. This process stabilizes the cocoa butter, giving the finished bars a smooth, glossy appearance and a firm texture. As the coated bars move along the conveyor, gentle air blowers and vibrating systems remove excess chocolate. This creates an even coating and prevents chocolate from collecting on the bottom of the bars. Before the chocolate hardens, shaping rollers or decorating tools form the characteristic grooves on the top of the bars. This gives the finished product its familiar finger-shaped appearance. High-speed cameras and automated sensors inspect each chocolate-coated bar for cracks, uneven coating, or surface defects. Any bar that does not meet quality standards is removed. This automated process ensures only perfect products continue down the line. The chocolate-coated wafer bars exit the cooling tunnel, their glossy finish now set. They move along the conveyor to the packaging line, where each bar is individually wrapped. The wrapping machine applies a clear film. Finally, the sealed bars are labeled and prepared for shipment. The roll of food-grade film is fed continuously into the machine. Each bar is automatically wrapped with precise timing. The film is guided to envelop the bar. Mechanical arms fold and tuck the material. A heat sealer creates a uniform, professional, neat seal. The wrapped bars pass through heat sealing units that securely close the package. A tight seal helps protect the chocolate from air, moisture, and contamination. The packaging machine prints the production date, best before date, and batch number on every wrapper. This information helps with product traceability and quality control.
Like the sun, like the sun.
The sealed cartons leave the packaging line and move to the warehouse and shipping area, where they are prepared for distribution to stores around the world. The sealed cartons leave the packaging line and move to the warehouse and shipping area, where they are prepared for distribution to stores around the world. Each step is optimized for global efficiency. The wrapped pallets are transferred to a climate-controlled warehouse. The temperature and humidity are carefully maintained to preserve the quality of the chocolate until shipment. Scanning pallet 1, product and quantity verified. Confirmed, destination matches the order. Moving to pallet 2 now.
Pallet 2 scanned, all good.
Proceeding to pallet 3. The trucks transport the chocolate bars to regional distribution centers, supermarkets, convenience stores, and retailers. From there, the products continue their journey to consumers around the world. After traveling through the global supply chain, the finished KitKat bars arrive on store shelves, ready to be purchased and enjoyed, completing the remarkable journey from simple ingredients to one of the world's most iconic chocolate wafer snacks.
What begins with simple ingredients like flour, sugar, cocoa, milk, and wheat is transformed through advanced manufacturing into millions of delicious KitKat bars every day.
Every step, from mixing and baking to filling, chocolate coating, packaging, and shipping, is carefully controlled to ensure consistent quality and taste. Modern production lines use robotics and high-speed conveyors to manufacture bars efficiently. Sensors and automated inspection systems maintain strict food safety standards. These technologies enable the production of millions efficient and reliable, ensuring quality. Throughout the production process, every batch is inspected for appearance. Weight is checked on a digital scale to ensure consistency. Texture is tested with precise instruments. This ensures only the highest quality bars reach consumers. Once packaged, the finished KitKat bars are shipped through an extensive distribution network, supplying supermarkets, convenience stores, and retailers across the globe. Every bite combines crispy wafer layers with smooth milk chocolate, making KitKat one of the most recognizable and beloved chocolate snacks enjoyed by millions of people every day. From carefully selected ingredients to advanced robotic production lines, every KitKat bar follows an incredible journey before reaching your hands. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes factory tour, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more amazing manufacturing stories from around the world.